In this video, I will show you how to import gradient into your Photoshop without any stress. This particular gradient I want to use in this tutorial, I've made a video about how you can simply download the gradient. You can check the video tutorial in the comment section of this particular video. After you are able to successfully download the gradient pack, you are going to have something like this. Let me quickly bring it out. So you're going to have something like this right here. All you have to do is to make sure you extract the gradient from the zip into a folder like this. After a successful extract to a folder, next thing you want to do is to see how you can import the gradient pack into your Photoshop and start using the gradient preset without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Photoshop and you want to make sure you simply navigate to your gradient tab right here. And then having a navigate to gradient tab, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on here to open up gradient cloud. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on this setting icon right here. Then go ahead and click on import gradients. Then you want to make sure you go ahead and look for the folder that you extracted. I have it in my download folder. Then here we go. This is the gradient pack right here. Select on the pack folder. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select on the folder right here. And then once you click on the folder, this is exactly what we need right here. You can see the name of the folder. Then go ahead and simply click on load right here. And in a few seconds, it's going to be load to your gradient preset right here. Importing the gradient, scroll down right here and you have the folder right here. So go ahead and open up the folder. You have all the preset right here. You can see, so just like so, you have all the gradients right here and you can start using it in a matter of drag and drop into a surface or text or image as the case may be. It's that simple. Or better still, if you want to use it in another way around, for instance, if I want to use it for this particular arrow, right click on it and then go ahead and click on blending option. Then under the blending option, we can simply navigate to gradient overlay right here. Then here, we just want to open up the picker right here. Then you have it right here. You can apply anyone as much as possible, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.